It's India's best Olympic outing ever, capped with the first ever gold medal in track and field. A spectacular javelin throw from Neeraj Chopra saw India's national anthem play in Tokyo, with India winning a total of 7 medals. With this win, Neeraj became India's second ever individual Olympic gold medalist after shooter Abhinav Bindra, who won gold in Beijing 2008. India started the day one short of its best showing in London and ended it with a memorable gold, improving on its London haul of 6 medals. With Chopra's glittering gold, the 2020 Tokyo Olympics has turned into India's best Olympic outing, surpassing the 2012 record. India now has won 7 medals so far, 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze. Here's a look at the champions who created history at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Neeraj Chopra ended India's century-old wait for an athletics medal at the Olympics. Earlier in the day, Bajrang Punia bagged the bronze medal in the men's 65 kg freestyle wrestling. This was Punia's debut at the Olympics. Indian men's hockey team clinched a historic bronze. The men's hockey team registered a stunning 5-4 victory over Germany, ending a 41-year-old medal drought in hockey. Eyeing gold, Indian wrestler Ravi Kumar Dahiya settled for silver. Dahiya lost to world champion of Russia. The 23-year-old became only the second Indian wrestler after Sushil Kumar to win a silver. India's Lavleena competed against world champion and top seed. Lavleena went down and bagged the bronze medal. This was the 23-year-old's maiden Olympic outing. Indian star shuttler PV Sindhu clinched a bronze medal in women's single tournament. Sindhu became the first Indian woman to win 2 individual Olympic medals. Lastly, Mirabai Chanu opened India's medal tally by winning a silver medal in the weightlifting event. Chanu ended India's 21-year-old wait for a weightlifting medal at the Olympics.